welcome back to my channel. I don't know what to call this look yet, but I know it's gonna be definitely like a holiday type look because this is not regular. This is like shout out to Arnell. I'm not regular, but anyways, so this is not a regular look. This is definitely like holiday glam, Christmas party, even New Year's, either one. But this look is so freaking cute. This is really my first time ever using glitter eyeliner, and I really like how this look came out. I use this glitter liner from the Scarlet makeup line, and I also use their palette. This is their current palette. I think this is the most recent palette they came out with. A lot of you, if you do watch my videos, are familiar with Scarlet, as I have worked with them many times in the past. So I'm really happy to be working with them again because honestly, like, their palettes are bomb, and I love that every other month they collab with a different influencer to put together a beautiful palette that serves for a whole full face of makeup, lip colors, blush, highlight, eyeshadows of course, and even sometimes even a lip liner. This month there's an extra, so there's the glitter eyeliner. Usually there is no eyeliner, so I think it's really cool as well. The two main things are really, besides the actual product, because Scarlet's eyeshadows are really, really pigmented, but aside from that, I really like Scarlet because I like the idea of collaborating with a different influencer every other month. Like every time they put out a palette, they bring something new, they bring new colors, just new everything. So like giving a lot of other influencers a chance to put some creativity into some work. And also I really like that these palettes have so much going on in them that not only can you use like one color for one thing, and honestly every single time I've done a look with any of their products, they turn out bomb, like bomb. So for their most recent palette, they collaborated with an influencer named Christina Makeup. First of all, my favorite shade is this shade right here, Limoncello, and then we have Tan Lines, which I use all these colors, so Tan Lines, Limoncello, then there's Onyx, which is that black. We have a really nice blush shade, which is called Moonstone. This is, I feel like this is like a universal blush shade, and this highlight shade is like everything. I really love like rose gold, rose pink type of shimmer shades, or just the shade in general. I really like that color, so to have it as a highlight shade is just like, it's bomb. And then we have two lip colors right here. Of course, I only used one. I used Koi, and then down here we have Metal Rose. And then as I showed you guys before, I did use the glitter eyeliner to fill in the space in my cut crease, or to fill in the lining of my cut crease. And this is called Sparkler. I really love that they added another product to this most recent launch, because usually it's just a palette, but also with the palette they do sometimes come with like lip liners, because I do have a few lip liners from them and eyeliners. I don't want to talk your guys' ears off. I'm going to show you guys how to get this beautiful gold smoky glitter cut crease. So let's just get into this video. Alright, so this is what we're working with. I had no idea where this look was going, but you know, this is what we're doing, okay? And of course, because it did come with glitter liner, I wanted to use this for the first time. I've never used glitter eyeliner before, so I decided to try it out, and I'm liking this. Hopefully it actually, you know, is bomb. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. So I'm gonna take my Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I'm going to prime my eyes. You guys can obviously use an eyeshadow base, eyeshadow primer. I just really like to use full coverage concealer. Plus, you know, you save money by not having to buy an eye primer. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. Let's just hope we have a good a good makeup day, because I don't want to have to like wipe this off and do it again. I'm just using a setting powder. Yeah, it feels so good to be filming though. I have not done like a dramatic makeup look in so long. It's probably only been like 2 months, but it feels like forever. Also, when I even started doing this eye, I was like, oh my god, I feel so weird. Like, I felt like I didn't know how to do eyeshadow anymore. And I was like, bitch, why are you acting so scared? Like, you do this, you know, like. For my first two shades, which are going to be my transition shades, I'm going to use the Flamingo eyeshadow palette from Violet Voss. You guys have seen this in my videos before. And I'm going to use Sand first. It's like a very nude, peachy shade. This is just gonna neutralize the eye. It's already neutral, but I just want to make it a little bit more neutral. And then after I use Sand, I'm gonna go in with Sunbathe and apply that. And I'm using an A26 brush from ABH. Palette, I'm gonna grab Sandals, which is this burnt orange shade, and I'm gonna apply that all over my crease. And you guys know the drill, I'm gonna blend it out. I'm gonna grab the Deck of Scarlet palette and I'm gonna start working with this black shade called Onyx. I'm gonna start off with the littlest amount. I like using a more tapered brush. While I was doing this eye, I switched brushes like 3 times. So something with like a tapered end but still able to blend works really well. And I'm gonna apply this to the outer crease because black is just like, it's so easy to have it look messy, and I don't want to add too much black either. I'm gonna go with a little bit more. I'm gonna drag it up right here and stop. You see that? I'm gonna just take a little bit off my brush and I'm gonna start blending. And I blend it. I feel like I might have actually brought the black in on the side a little bit more, but it's okay because I'm doing a cut crease, so some of that will go away. I feel like I should actually maybe bring a little bit more black to right here. I'm gonna finish blending that out, and I'm gonna switch to a clean blending brush. This is a, oh, the number's off. Oh, it's an A10 brush from ABH, and I'm just going to diffuse the corners of that product. And of course, I'm going to be adding more black after doing the cut crease, so for now I'm going to leave this because I don't want to overdo it. Once you overdo it, you can't undo it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease now. It came out really nice, you guys. Yes, I still got it. I know some people don't set the concealer or eyeshadow base after cutting the crease because apparently it makes shimmer shades more pigmented. And while that is true, my eyes transfer and I have hooded eyes, so I can't be doing that. It doesn't work for me. So I'm gonna set mine. I'm gonna go in with tan lines, that gold right in the middle, and I'm gonna apply that all over my lid. So now we can go back in with our Onyx, the black, and just drag some of that onto the outer crease. I'm gonna go in with that clean blending brush again and blend out that product, blend out those edges. I feel like this glitter liner is so off, but it's okay. I usually do wait until I'm done my entire face before doing any inner corner or highlight, but of course I wanted to see, you know, how it looks. So I'm gonna take this gorgeous greenish yellow shade called Limoncello, I'm pretty sure it's Limoncello, and I'm gonna apply it to my inner corner. I'm also gonna drag it up a bit up onto the inner corner of my lid, just so it can create a nice little transition. This is such a pretty color. To be honest, I may change lashes. I don't know. I'm feeling these. Like, I'm feeling it, but I feel like it's just not like, bah. By the way, I should probably mention, you get fallout, if you guys couldn't tell. Okay, so I'm going to use the Go Glitter Liquid Eyeliner in Sparkler. This side is a little bit thicker. I'm gonna touch that up. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. Just using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. You guys know this is my ish. Alright, so I put on another pair of lashes. I'm gonna use these ones instead. These are Bad Girl from SlaybyElla lashes. I haven't used her lashes in a while. And these are actually one of the pairs I haven't tried yet. And they're cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and then we're gonna get into this face. So finally, get into this face. I feel like I've been doing my eyes for so long. We're gonna go ahead and get into the skin. I am gonna switch it up a little bit. Switch up the primer for once. I know you guys know I love the Too Faced Hangover Primer, but you know, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Free Makeup Base, aka primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this primer. It has a really like strong fragrance. It's not like as strong as the foundation, but it just smells like, you know, like a hand cream or something. Doesn't smell bad. My wig has just like, I'm over hair right now, so we'll figure out my hair at the end, as long as my face is beat. So for foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Full Filter High Coverage Foundation. I have done a review on this, so you guys should check it out if you haven't seen it. But you guys know I'm a mixer, so I'm not just using that. I'm gonna use another one too. This is the ABH Stick Foundation in Amber. I used this in my last tutorial, and honestly, I really like it. I forgot how much I really like it. And it's like perfect match. Well, nothing's perfect, but you know what I mean. So because the Huda Beauty, I shouldn't have applied this much. The Huda Beauty foundation is full coverage and it's thick. I'm just gonna apply like a little right here, a little bit here, and a little here and there. I'm just gonna mix it up. Normally I would use a Normally I would use a beauty blender, however, I feel like using a brush to blend up my foundation today, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna use this Moda, it wiped away, but this brush from Moda Cosmetics. It's like a stippling foundation brush. As bad as I want to use the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, I kind of miss using this Colourpop one. So I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Concealer in Tan 50. I believe it's the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I was actually thinking about not cream contouring today and just doing powder contour, but I was like, why would I do that? So I'm gonna use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Rich 75. I haven't used this in a long time, but I remember this is hella pigmented and a little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with my 830 brush. I'm gonna go in with medium beige from LA Girl and just add that to brighten it up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes before they start creasing. I'm just gonna blend out that creasing and then set them. I'm going to go into this NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, and to set my cream contour, I'm going to take this shade right here called Toffee. So I still have some setting powder underneath my eyes. I'm gonna leave it for a little bit just because I want to do my under eyes and I'm gonna smoke them out, and I want to avoid as much fallout as I can. So what I'm gonna do, I don't know if I should smoke it out with a brown or use the black. So first I'm gonna apply some eyeliner to my waterline. I'm just gonna use this waterproof gel liner from ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Ooh. Ooh. I haven't worn eyeliner in a minute. Okay. Ooh, clearly. I'm trying to think if I want to smoke it out with a black or a brown. I don't know. I'm going to smoke out my eyes using a brown. I'm going to go into the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to use this dark brown shade, Cypress Umber. To bronze, I'm going to use the ABH Powder Bronzer in Cappuccino. Yes. I'm going to go ahead and set my makeup. I'm going to use the Too Faced Mattifying Peach Mist right here. Okay, so going back into the deck of Scarlet palette, as you guys can see, there's a highlight shade, and I would say for me this is like a blush, so I'm going to use that for my blush. I really like this shade. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my highlight, and I'm using Bad Behavior. Before I apply my lip color, I went ahead and applied something to my lips because y'all know I got dry lips in the winter. This is the Agave Lip Mask from Pipe Beauty, and let me tell you, this is so freaking good. Like, if you have super dry lips and some chapsticks don't work for you, or you just don't have any right now, like honestly, I would say consider getting this. I love it. I use it all the time. Saves the day. Anyway, so I'm gonna go back into the deck of Scarlet palette, and I'm gonna use this lip shade Koi. Can we focus? Can we show the people? I'm gonna use this shade called Koi as my lippy. And I'm probably gonna go over it with a nude or add a gloss. We're just gonna see what it looks like. This is pretty. This is cute. I just need to, like, you know, fix the liner. This is definitely a color I would wear a lot. Like, you guys know I love my peachy nudes, and honestly these kind of peachy nudes look so good on golden girls and chocolate girls and girls that are like super rich in melanin. Like, peachy nude is like, you can never go wrong. Never. So anyways, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Gloss Bomb because y'all know I need a little bit of gloss. Actually, you know, I could leave it like this, but I'm extra and I love my gloss. I feel like it's just gonna add a little bit of oomph to this look. So I wanted to use a gloss color that wasn't gonna really take away from the peachy nude that we have going on. So this one is perfect. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did my hair, changed my clothes so we can see this look all together, and this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I really do miss doing dramatic looks. You guys know I'm an everyday soft glam girl, but you know, when I do my dramatic looks, you know, I do slay. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you guys think about this makeup look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.